Meaning of feature.
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 Feature. The term feature refers to a distinctive attribute or aspect of something. It may refer to a physical characteristic, an ability or functionality, or a design element that distinguishes a product from another. In technology, a feature can be seen as an addition or upgrade to a software or hardware product that enhances user experience or solves a problem. Similarly, in media and entertainment, a feature can refer to a prominent story or article, or a full-length film or program. Overall, a feature is something that sets apart a product or content, making it unique or more competitive.